Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza using sliced bread. First, gather your ingredients. Sliced bread, your favorite pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and any toppings you desire. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pizza cooks evenly and gets that perfect crispy crust. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now, let's assemble your delicious bread pizzas. Place your bread slices in a single layer on the parchment-lined baking sheet. Next, spread about 1 to 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce evenly over each slice, making sure to go almost to the edges. Then, generously sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce, followed by your favorite toppings like pepperoni, vegetables, or cooked sausage. It's time to bake your bread pizzas to golden perfection. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and the edges of the bread are a lovely golden brown. This ensures a perfectly crispy base. Carefully remove the pizzas from the oven and let them cool for about 2 minutes before serving. Your homemade bread pizzas are ready. Carefully slice them into your desired portions and serve immediately while they are warm and delicious. These quick and easy pizzas are perfect for a speedy snack, a fun lunch, or even a light dinner. They are a fantastic way to satisfy those pizza cravings without much effort. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.